Richard and Manong Ben are setting up the barbecue grill. Uy, who's this?
Hi.
Hello. Okay, that's one of our cousins. That's Manang Diding.
Welcome.
And that's okay, that's Heidi.
Hi. Anto.
Nakaisan. Nakaisan. Pawis.
Estamos.
Ayo. Pawison. Lingkod.
Oh, Bibingka.
What is this Kuan?
Huh?
Bibingka is
No, Kuan could replace almost anything. Like any item. Yeah. Yeah.
I point the garbage.
The garbage could be a Kuan. The food could be a Kuan. Like so if you're forgetting the name.
The thing.
Yeah, so if you're forgetting a name of a certain thing, oh, the Kuan.
This is assorted.
Oh.
Oh, that's right. That's right. When we go sa Kalinan, siguro tanim natin yung sa Kalinan.
Ano niya siya?
Hi, baby. Come here.
Vegetable seeds?
Come here. Say hi to Manang Diding. Come here. Go to her. That's Manang Diding. Go. Go. Say hi. Hug.
Emma, regarde, tu vois les personnes commencent à arriver. Ça arrive de l'eau, et après ça, maman se réveille, ok?
For Heidi and is it like this? Sorry.
Oh.
You open.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Where's Heidi?
Cousins.
I don't know. I'm still learning.
No, it's okay.
I thought that,
Sorry.
Yeah, they have something for you guys.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, that's nice.
Wow, this is nice.
Wow, this is perfect. Nice.
For tomorrow.
For tomorrow.
Oh, there we go.
Yes, you can. Very nice.
Salamat po.
This is your color. This is my color. It's perfect.
This is Ronin. It's a blessing.
Oh yeah.
God
It's
gave
a
it to
blessing.
you so
Definitely.
that you can go to
Yeah,
church tomorrow.
because they were just gonna wear shorts.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's perfect timing then. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, can we hug? Thank you so much.
Nagmana siya.
Yeah, nice.
Nagmana siya.
Oh wow. I'm like wow.
Wow, Paul.
I'm gonna just put Emma asleep a little bit so she's gonna have more energy to stay with us. Otherwise, it's gonna...
That's like
Yes. No. Pockets.
Pocket.
Yes.
Oh, I love it.
My rocks.
Tama ng color.
favorite color.
Nana mo ko kayo. Makita man ako si Heidi Perminti. Magasuot og brown.
Oh yeah.
Kung ganun brown na lang kang Heidi. Kaya mo man na yung Perminti kasuot brown.
Yeah.
They're the same size?
Same size ba?
Oh, yeah.
Chinese naman.
Oh.
Look at the leg.
Awa lagi siya brown. Ang ano. Fit.
I don't do that so much. I don't want anyone else to see that.
Hello?
Tita Hilda. See, sinapit up ni Manong Ben.
Every single time you do that, you get to tell me because I got stuck my stomach in.
Fan. Tapos, nilagyan niya pa ng ilaw. Right there. He installed the lights there. Call her again. Call them again. They're running. They're running for their food. There. When they're called, they come. Okay, tell Heidi how old you are. Guess.
I'm gonna say 87. More.
Is it more than 80? Really? How old are you?
90?
89. 89.
89?
Yeah.
Okay, I was close.
Yeah.
Oh wow, 89.
But still, that's pretty good.
A year just before 90.
Yeah. Mm.
Uh,
Yeah, she raised 10 kids. So, how many do you want to have, honey bun?
9 only.
Emma is one so far.
and it's gonna be one.
Yeah.
No, but it's different. No, it's not different. It's
Maybe if we live in the farm, we're gonna have 10.
if I don't have to work.
Tita Hilda is just laughing.
Work,
Like,
I have
yeah, you guys try having 10. We'll see.
If I don't have to work,
It's gonna be a challenge.
it's different. Is it celery?
I'm not sure. Ano yan? Celery? Oh, no. Banana. Banana stalk. They're gonna make it into brush.
Oh,
Fresh.
nice.
To brush the meat with sauce. Okay.
Are you at the page? No. Mom, can I pee? Mom, can I drink?
Yeah, that's Ronin's favorite chicken.
No.
What's that?
This is our friend now. We cannot eat this
He is
one.
our friend now. We will eat the other chicken. Okay?
This one is Filipino macaroons. Try it, Haniban.
Haniban, you always testing this.
Yeah.
You always testing every kind of food. Tita.
Yeah.
Wow! One.
It's
Oh,
not
yeah?
supposed to be one bite. It's like little bites supposedly. But anyway, how does it taste?
There's some coconut inside.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is coconut.
It's a Filipino macaroon. Cause you like macaroons, right?
I like the texture.
Yeah. Good. See, this is what I like here in Davao. Because when it rains like this, and look at them, they're still wearing short or at least skirt above the knees. And it's raining outside and it's still nice and warm. Okay. And then we're gonna have barbecue. Where's it now? Oh shoot. Right there. Oh yeah, yeah, I saw a little bit. Yeah, these guys are free range chickens, see? They're free to roam around, eat anything that they want to eat along the way.
Probably more organic. It's probably
Yeah,
healthier, right?
they're more organic, see?
Expert.
Yeah.
There's a lot of branches. So.
Yeah, that's how you...
Oh, and there's more.
Oh,
on the
something
top.
fell.
Mahulog.
Oh!
Malaki ang butas.
Lucky.
But that one is at least here. Yeah, it's a small one.
Are they good? See?
Should be okay. Just wash it. Just wash it.
Yeah, we're gonna wash it. There.
But at least that one I know that it was yeah. But at least that one I know that it's from the right from the tree. Maybe wash it from the inside, Haniban.
Inside?
Yeah. Yeah, but at least that one I know it's from the branch. It's not
Okay, I'm gonna wash these.
it's not from here.
But I don't
At least
think
it's
they're
not from the
ready.
bird or something. This one's probably better.
Yeah.
Yeah, try that.
Okay. Guava. Here. And this one.
Oh, malapit na. Baka mahulog yan. Yan. Oh, shoot. Yan, kuha na. There you go. Oh. Yeah, guava. Okay, it's your first time tasting the guava. Okay, try it. Let's see. Bite it.
Yeah, but I wanted to open it.
No, you don't need to open it. Use your teeth. Just be careful. No, bite it.
Like that?
You don't peel it. You bite the whole thing. You eat the whole thing.
I eat this,
The
that part
peel.
too.
Yeah.
Like an apple.
Yeah, like an apple. Yeah. No?
The sourness of this.
Yeah, that's why you put
I
salt. That's why you put salt in it. To balance it out.
But I want the middle.
The middle is just seeds.
This one, oh.
It's not the seeds that you eat. It's the peel.
Is the peel?
Yeah,
This one. Try this.
that's probably riper. Here, let me try it. The other
No,
one.
yeah, look.
This one here. Let me try.
Okay, man.
Yeah,
Okay.
just not used to it.
See?
Because otherwise you're gonna end up eating the seeds.
The taste, the little taste.
Be careful with the seeds because if you eat the seeds, it could get into your teeth. So just be careful.
For sure, if I do that,
Mm.
I'm gonna eat the seeds.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Ito
Yeah.
mapakla.
Yeah, as long as it's sort of like green apple, kind of like a green apple taste.
You try the other one.
The other one is riper. The riper it is, the sweeter it is.
True.
Yeah, this one's mariba lang. This is a sweeter one. But usually we try even the younger one because it's more kind of sour, and then we dip it in salt and then we eat it like that. But it's a matter of getting used to it.
Yeah.
For that one, you're not too fun about it. But you can eat it.
Yeah.
But not too fun about it. Okay. We'll try another kind of fruit later on.
Oh, I don't have any food. She's leaving.
Did she understand you? Oh, they're here already. You're here now. Oh, I thought it was Angel. It's actually this too. Hi guys. Hello. Oh, hello. Yeah, we missed you earlier. You were here earlier. Ah. Hello. Tapos na. Mas kwan ako. I'm used to hugging them than blessing.
Si Manang Diding po, authentic Filipino.
So this is
Charcoal.
charcoal barbecue.
Atong QC na abot na.
QC.
Maymay.
QC.